Emotional intimacy, a journey into the heart. What is emotional intimacy? It's the bond that goes beyond the surface. It's where hearts connect and true understanding begins. It's about being seen and heard without fear of judgment. Where vulnerabilities are shared, strengthening connections. Imagine sharing your deepest fears and highest hopes with someone who truly gets you. That's emotional intimacy. It's not just about being physically close but emotionally present. It's giving someone your undivided attention and care. Today, virtual connections often replace real ones. Emotional intimacy reminds us of the power of human touch. A journey of mutual respect, support, and endless discovery. It's finding a safe haven in another person. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of every strong relationship. Cherish it. Nurture it. It's where true love flourishes.